Today, we're taking a closer look at the Fullcom Tech 11.6-inch screen replacement for the Chromebook 11G5e series. This slim LED LCD screen boasts a resolution of 1366 by 768, providing a crisp and clear display for your laptop. The 30-pin connector, located at the bottom right side, ensures a secure and seamless connection. One notable feature is its compliance with ISO standards, guaranteeing a display with under 3 to 5 dead pixels. During our testing, we found the color reproduction to be vibrant and true, creating a multicolor visual experience when the screen is illuminated. The 40-pin connector enhances connectivity options, making it compatible with various devices. It's worth noting that, depending on stock availability, the model name and outline size may vary slightly. However, Fullcom Tech assures us that all products are thoroughly tested for compatibility. In conclusion, the Fullcom Tech 11.6-inch Chromebook screen replacement offers a reliable and visually pleasing upgrade for your laptop. If you're in need of a replacement screen that meets ISO standards and provides a clear HD display, this might be the solution for you. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.